Hi there, this is Virendra dear. Now I'll let you know one of the secret of life. It is never too late for any person with a purpose, a worthy goal and a motivation to reach upper layers on the pyramid. A person can travel further in few years than he might otherwise travel in a lifetime. It is simply because of the reason that successful people follow independent paths. They break away from the crowd, they join a smaller group. They don't have the nonsense activities in their life. They are the people who understand the value of time, money, and energy. They invest it very wisely. They use their time constructively. They have desire, decision, faith, belief, and persistent action towards attaining the definite chief of their life with a well-organized planning. It is easier for them to win. There is less competition up there at the top, and the view is also very clear. Everyone has the opinion to work and live on whatever layers of life pyramid they choose. The view is of course better. The air is fresher and the sun shines earlier and later. The crowd is smaller at the top. It's easier to settle for the lower levels. Most just get up in the step with their peers. Most just don't know how to succeed. They have never heard. They want to be accepted. They follow the follower. They follow the crowd. They just conform. They imitate. And that's why they become ordinary mortals. They are mediocres. They conform to one another. Belonging seems to be all important. Success is easier than failure. Winning is better than losing. We never pay the price for success. We enjoy the price for success. Dear friends, the message is very loud and clear. If you want to be successful, it is very easy to become successful. Simply you have to decide what you want in life. You must have a definite purpose in your life. Then you make alliance with the people who have succeeded in life. And then you build very faith, belief and confidence in your own power of personality. Be imaginative, be creative, be a accurate thinker, trying to give more than you are paid for. Go the extra miles. Decide, desire, persist, persevere, and you will find that there is very less crowd at the top. All the great people are the most clever people. That's why they penetrate the bottom line of the pyramid, which is too much crowded. This is very difficult and challenging. But once you have penetrated like the volcanic eruption and you have come, you will simply go at the top and you will really enjoy your life with all the fame, fortune, love at your footsteps, waiting to welcome you, waiting to cherish you, and willing to wish you all the blessings of life. So just believe in this philosophy what your best friend Vindra Dare is sharing with you. Reach the top of the pyramid. Only a minority few has this conviction, belief and faith and determination, daring, and they reach there the top of the life. The majority, the mediocres, they remain at the bottom of the pyramid. You are great. You are the top of the pyramid. Just believe in yourself. Life's battle don't always go to the stronger, the faster man, but sooner or later the one who wins, the one who thinks he can. You can do it because you believe you can do. May God bless you when you are a success. Thank you very much for watching this video from the top of the hill.